I've been wanting for the longest time to do the butterfly haircut. It looks super easy. I saw like a video or two and I'm gonna try it today. But first, coffee. I have some coffee made here. I just need to add milk and water. I need to add milk and ice. Got some ice balls over here. And I always have to drink coffee with a straw. Ow. My hair is drying off already. I'm gonna comb it. Your hair has to be wet apparently, and I don't know if this is wet enough. I hardly ever comb my hair when it's wet, but today is the exception. I might need a comb for this. This is my first time doing this, so wish me luck. So I'm gonna use 2 scrunchies because I'm gonna make 2 ponytails. Oh, scissors. I need scissors. These are the scissors that I use. I'm gonna comb my hair forward. I'm gonna part it to behind the ear. From behind the ear, other side. Smooth it out. Now I'm gonna tie it right here. Yeah, just right here in front of your forehead. The rest of the hair, it's gonna go on a high ponytail. A very, very high ponytail. So I got my 2 ponytails right here on my forehead and 1 high one here in the back. So I'm thinking to cut maybe just like halfway from the ends to the hair tie, but I'm kind of scared. Let's take some courage juice. I'm gonna use a 3rd hair tie so I can put it exactly where I'm going to cut. Let's do 4 inches. Let's start with this much. Let's do right there. We're gonna stick with about halfway. Oh my god. Oh my god. This might have been a lot. Alright, we can't turn back now. Let's see. Let's just cut some of these. We're gonna do the same with the top part. We're gonna comb it. We're gonna put another hair tie about halfway. This is what I cut off. Yeah, it looks about the same amount. We're gonna take the hair ties off now and wish I didn't mess it up. All right, here's the front part. They say that this cut frames your face really nice. Okay. Probably once I style it. Look, you can see the cute little layers right here. I like it. Now let's take this off. My husband might just kill me a little bit, but I did take off quite a bit. Oh my God. All right, let's style it. I'm gonna style it with my Revlon brush. I was almost forgetting, heat protectant. Let's do one pump. I forgot to put heat protectant on the top part. All right, might as well just finish. Okay, this one I think I'm gonna curl out. First in and then out. I need to learn an actual method to style this butterfly cut, but I think for now this worked out. Oh my God, what have I done? This is how it looks from behind. You can see some really nice high layers up here. It still ends up pretty long. It kind of looks like a V shape actually, which I don't mind. My head feels lighter. I do feel like I cut a lot. I love those layers on the back. I don't know if my middle part will work here though, but alright guys, let's go show my husband and see what he thinks.
How short did you cut it?
Do you like it or not?
Why does one side look shorter than the other? Oh, there it goes.
Because I just parted it to the side. Do you like it or not?
Yeah, I like it, but you cut a lot.
I know.
It took you a long time to grow it.
It's still long from the back, look.
Oh yeah, actually it is really long for the back.
It's just because I have layers now, it seems shorter. What do you think of it?
I mean, it's still long. I like it.
Yeah, it's because if you look at me from the front,
I look from the front, it looks short.
it looks short, yeah, because of the layers
No, it actually looks cute.
Because of the layers that I got.
Good job.
You like it?
Cute, yeah. Don't give me a kiss.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks cute.
You approve?
Yeah, but don't cut it no more.
Of my hair cutting
Just stop
skills?
Stop cutting it though. Like that, you're done? Are you done cutting it though? Don't cut it anymore. Just leave it like that.
We'll see.
Don't cut it anymore.
Alright guys, there you have it. I took a risk and I don't know. I like it. I'm quite content with it. Wow, guys, the layers on the back look so good. Wow, I should become a stylist now. I am gonna go change now, but let me know what you guys think about this method of hair cutting. I am gonna look up a way to style it. I don't think I did too bad today. Let me know if you like this video, if you like this haircut. Give this video a like if you do. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.